how to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. So if you want to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories, then first you need to open up your Instagram application, go with your story, which is on the upper left, go with camera, and you can also go with the bottom left, which has that albums option, so that you can choose something from your gallery to add on your stories. For example, I'll be choosing something, and then go with the upper right, which has that music option, and then go and search for a music and add a music. For example, I'll be choosing the first one, tap on it and add the music, and go with done, which is on the upper right, and go with your story, which is on the bottom left. Once you've added this song to your story, now you can simply go with add another story and then go with the music option again, which will be on the upper right, and go with the same music or same song. And in this way, you'll be able to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.